Hi, once again this is Rob Sipple, the Geospatial and Data Librarian from Florida Tech's Evans Library. In this video we're going to delve into how to inspect data objects in R, or more broadly, you might think of this as getting a feel for your data objects. Within RStudio, please open the script file No.14 inspectingdataobjects.r. To begin, using the electricity rates data that you imported in a previous video, let's talk about commands that will give you insights into the structure of objects. The first of these commands, str, stands for structure. When you execute the str command with the electricity rates data as the argument, you get such information as the type of object, in this case a data frame, the names of the fields, the data mode for each field, and initial values in each field. The next few commands give more specific information. For example, the class command tells you, in this case, that the object is a data frame. As the name suggests, the names command gives you the names of the data fields. Another command whose name suggests its purpose is dim, which gives an object's dimensions. The electricity rates data contains 37,791 rows and 9 columns. Some other commands give you more of an opportunity to examine the specific contents of the data object. For these, let's switch over to the mtcars data set. The head command will show you the lines at the top or head of the object. The argument must at least include the name of the object. As in the example shown, you may also specify the number of lines that you wish to see. If you do not give a number, the head command defaults to giving you 6 lines. The tail command works the same as the head command but shows lines at the end or tail of the object. The any and all commands, which are used for determining the existence of data records that meet some specified criterion, will return a value of either true or false. In the source pane, the any command checks if any of the cars have more than 200 horsepower and returns a value of true, because some of the cars do meet this criterion. The example of the all command checks to see if all of the commands meet the same criterion. The result is false, since only some of the cars have more than 200 horsepower. The command unique appropriately determines all the unique data values. As seen in the example, although there are 32 rows in the mtcars dataset, there are only 3 unique values for the number of cylinders, 4, 6, and 8. Several other commands correspond to commonly used statistical measures. The command mean calculates mean values. Range is used to determine the lower and upper limits of a data set, while max will reveal the maximum value. As you can see, R often uses very sensible names for its commands. Once again, I will offer you an entirely voluntary assignment to practice your skills. Using the faithful dataset, which is one of R's built-in datasets, determine the following: the number of rows and columns in the dataset, the names of the fields, and the range of values for the eruption durations. Remember, if you want a description of the faithful dataset and its contents, just type question mark followed by faithful. This video introduced a few mathematical functions, such as mean and max. In the next video, I will further discuss popular mathematical functions for R.